Good boy! I have come back to my house. I'm home, I'm home, I'm home. I just hope and pray nothing else comes up. I don't want to travel anymore. I don't want to drag my suitcase. Pack it and then drag my suitcase outside my house to the airport, to the security, sit in my designated seat and then get off and then return back home. Same process. I don't want to do that anymore. I don't want to do that. I'm getting flashbacks of 2023. Those 2 years, 23, 24, every week I travel. Every fucking week I travel. And it's not the traveling that I hate. I like to travel, but I like to have a gap in between. Like, I'd like to chill a little bit. Like, bronzer. Not bronzer, sorry. What is this? What is this? This is contour. So I don't mind traveling. I just need a little bit of gap in between the travels. I can't travel every week. I can't travel every other day. That's just not, I can't do that. I'm very weak. I'm a very weak human being. Physically, mentally, emotionally, every single sector of weakness, I'm weak in it. I'm like 1 in the weakness scale. 1 or maybe 0 or maybe -1. Whatever. I'm fucking weak. I can't do this. And on top of that, the main reason why I don't like traveling so frequently is because I come home to a fucking messy house. Because every time I leave, I create a mess in my house. And then because I'm packing, so I'm taking everything out of my wardrobe and packing. And then I'm also wearing a little bit of clothing to see how am I looking in a particular style? Should I pack jeans? Or maybe I should try this new skirt? But then I only end up like carrying like 10 items. But then the rest of the things that I've taken out of my wardrobe, it just stays out. It stays out. I don't put it in my wardrobe. I don't put it back. I don't know what to do. And then when I come back home from the trip, my house is a mess. It's completely a mess. It's a mess everywhere. It's messy. And apart from that, the laundry. Oh my fucking god. I have to do so much fucking laundry when I get back home every time. So if I'm traveling every week, so I'm coming home and all I'm doing is laundry, iron, laundry, whites, colors, whatever the fuck. And then I have to dry those clothes because I have to iron it and then take it back with me the next day that I'm traveling. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying, right? So that's why I need break. I need a fucking break. Give me at least 2 months. I need 2 fucking months between every travel. 2 fucking months. Anyway. Okay. The fuck? Oh. One of my absolute favorite blushes. Oh yeah, that's why my house is messy. And look at the situation of my house. Look. All the bags, everything's just, it's just there. It's just there. And I'm tired. This is the cardigan. It's a cardigan with a bow, but you can cinch the neck. And I really just wanna wear it and feel it and just enjoy this cardigan. Okay, so this is the cardigan and I'm telling you, this feels so good. This just feels so good. I just want to talk about how it feels because it actually feels so fucking good. It feels great. Okay, so there's a bow. I'm just gonna make like a big bow, big ass bow. If I want this look to be a little bit cute, then I might go for the balloon skirt. But if I want this to be a little bit, you know, like casual, chic, then I'll go for the jeans. Let's start with the jeans and then we'll go to the balloon skirt. Okay, here is the blue jeans. I love it so much. And then I have new glasses. And then I have a bag. How is it? How is this? Oh, I love it. I love it so much. Oh my god, I want to go out wearing this. I want to leave. I want to go out wearing this right this second. It is so cute. I bought so much bow. So much bow. From Malaysia. So much bow. Everything I liked had bow in it. Everything I liked had bow in it. Everything was just so cutesy, dutesy and dutesy in Malaysia. Everything was so fucking cute. So fucking cute. I went to H&M there. I just wanted to see how different the collection was in H&M and Zara in Malaysia and how different the collection is here. So I went to H&M and every single clothing item was just so summery and so bright, and a lot of them were like pastels. Oh, summery and so fresh and so nice. It was so bowy, so cute. Even the women in Malaysia, so cute, so fun, so jolly, so cute. I have this. Or I can wear this. It's like a heart. I know. I'm a fucking hypocrite. I always say that I can't mix gold and silver together in one look. It's just not my thing. I don't like it. I know I'm a fucking hypocrite. But you know what? We all are fucking hypocrites. So I'm going to wear this. Cute earrings. I'll change this and try the balloon skirt with this cardigan. So cute. I did not expect the balloon skirt to look good with the cardigan. I was really gravitating towards a black pleated skirt. I thought maybe if the white balloon skirt doesn't work, then I'll just go for the black pleated skirt. Well, this is looking good. For the earrings, I'm gonna keep this. Because, you know, it's hard. It's a hard earring and it goes with the look. And I want to keep that cuteness thing going on. I want to keep the look cutesy-dutesy. Even though there was a point of time in my life where cutesy-dutesy clothes weren't really my thing. Really, they weren't. I always used to avoid wearing anything that would look, you know, cute on me. That would look, you know, dollish on me, you know. I did not want to associate with cute outfits or cute looks, but I don't know. My age has evolved, my styling has evolved, my fashion choices has evolved. The only thing that has not evolved is my height and my brain capacity. Yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it for today's video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.